In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Pinterest account efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or simply tidy up your online presence, these easy steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Pinterest website. If you're not entirely sure how to get there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in pinterest.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and in a matter of seconds, the Pinterest homepage should be right there in front of you. Make sure you're logged into the Pinterest account you wish to delete. If you're not logged in, take a quick moment to do so by entering your email and password. Now that you're on Pinterest, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you straight to your profile page. On arrival, you'll notice an option labeled View Profile. Clicking on this will provide a range of settings and preferences specifically related to your account. Among these settings, you will find the option Edit Profile. Click on it to proceed. In the Edit Profile section, you'll discover a tab labeled Account Management. This is the pivotal section where you can control various aspects of your account. So it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this tab. Scroll through these settings and locate the option that says Delete Account. It's important to press this button only if you are completely certain about deleting your account, as this decision is irreversible. Clicking Delete Account will guide you through some final confirmations just to make sure this is truly what you want to do. And just like that, you're done. At this point, your Pinterest account will be marked for deletion. It's a good idea to check your email for any confirmation messages from Pinterest regarding this action, just to ensure everything has been processed correctly. Remember, once your account is deleted, all of your data, boards, and pins will no longer be accessible, so make sure to save anything important beforehand. By following these straightforward steps, you can declutter your digital footprint with confidence and ease. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Hopefully, this guide was helpful for those who felt the time was right to step away from Pinterest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you're curious about. We're here to ensure your online journeys are smooth and informed. See you in the next video.